Welcome everyone. So today a lot of people think that the answer for this one is 0. Why like that? Because they divide what? 12 divide by 2 into 3 they do first. So they get what? 2. Then we are left with 2 minus 2. Answer comes out to be 0. Which is absolutely wrong. Okay. So in this case what you should do is first remember that whenever you have a sum which has division and multiplication, always go from left to right. Okay, please don't think that in BODMAS comes division first or in PEMDAS multiplication first. Please understand that is given for you to remember. But in case of division and multiplication, both are equal in priority. So always go from left to right. So first what we will do is 12 divided by 2, which is 6 into 3 minus 2. So 6 into 3 is 18 minus 2, answer gets you 16. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. So now in this case you might be wondering when the answer is 0. 12 divided by, there had to be a bracket which is suggesting that this has to be done first. So now this becomes 12 divided by 6 minus 2. So this gets you 2 minus 2. Here the answer comes out to be 0. But if this was given without bracket, then the answer for this one is supposed to be 16. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.